Hey everyone, welcome to Just a Man and His Deuce and Half. My name is Bill, and today we're going to look at the Deuce. So I added the Waterloo Specialties power steering several years back, like 3 or 4. They're in my videos, but and it's caused me some heartache, which is self-inflicted, unfortunately. So I thought I had the leak fixed, basically drove it into town, and I did not. So time I got to where I was going, it had run dry. Now, where I messed up was I figured I could just drive home. Well, in that, I guess I got the pump hot and ruined a seal. So replaced the seal, and I'm still just having one problem after another. Either I'm not putting the pump back together correctly, not quite getting the O-rings right or something. And I think this last time I didn't have hydraulic, like high pressure O-rings. So I think that's where it's failed this time. So if I've been trying to find the replacement pump for it. But anyway, what I'm going to do today, though, is I'm going to relocate where the reservoir is. And I may go back to the original reservoir that was intended for this Waterloo Specialties. I put a bigger one in there thinking, maybe let's waste more oil whenever it starts leaking. Anyway, y'all are more than welcome to join with me. All right, let's get to it. All right, so what I'm going to show you guys, I went ahead and I lifted the hood. I'm going to spin this thing around here and let you see what I'm trying to do. So, that's the reservoir that I added, come off of, I think, a Mack truck or something. But anyway, it doesn't need to be that big. So, right here was the original. What I'm thinking, what I'd like to do is either mount this thing like right here to where